Social interaction. Hi, my name is Maria. Today I want to talking about Taylor Swift. I love her music because her songs are easy to understand. It make me feel happy and relaxed. My favorite song is Love the Story. It's very positivity and strength and when listen to it my feel calm and good. For me Taylor Swift is a very special artist and her music is part for me everyday life. Mm, Thank you.